Have you ever tried searching for something on Google and you got 1 million results, or probably you got no results? That's because it's something you are not doing right. And today I'm going to show you 6 things that you can do to enhance your Google search. So let's get in.
Hello everybody and welcome to this tutorial on Google search tips. Today I'm going to show you how to use these 6 Google search tips and keywords, and in the next coming video I'll show you how to use these other 7 Google search keywords. I'm sure you wouldn't like to miss it. So without dragging things too much, let's get into Google and start searching. Okay, Google is a search engine like we already know. That's used to get all sorts of information. We use it for just about everything. Unfortunately, our parents didn't have many of our parents didn't have the opportunity to use this marvelous tool. So our first Google search tip is going to be using the tabs. So for this exercise, I'm going to try to use a search term like job stress. Let me try job stress. Yes, and employees performance. So if you are looking for quick tips about what you are searching, so you could easily type in your search term and then explore these tabs that you see here. You can have quick results about job stress. So this is job stress, also role ambiguity, underutilization of skills, work overload, workload, role conflict, role ambiguity. You can look at news. If there is any news on that topic that you have searched, you will look at videos. This will take you to links to YouTube and other sites where there are videos on their search term. You could also look at maps, and there is even more here where you have books and finance. So if I just try books, so you're going to get a good collection of books here for job stress and employee performance. Okay, let's go on to our tip number 2. I'll go back to all, which is talking about using the exact search phrase. You want to search for an exact phrase. If you look at these search results that we have here, like job stress and employee performance, we have 78,500,000 results. That shows that there's something we are not doing correctly. There's something we are not doing right, because to have this number of results means that our search term is loose, it's very loose. So if you want to get an exact match where you are searching something like job stress, this should be like a compound word. You want it to appear exactly as it is, and as well employee performance. So let's start by delimiting job stress first with the inverted commas, open and close, which is what is used to get an exact match for Google, get a job stress, and we search. So you see from 70 something million, it came down to 740. So just about 0.01% of the results, and now we are getting more concise results. I'm sure this is not the best we can get. If we add those inverted commas, open and close here, let's see where we get to. From 700,000 we get about 100,000. Yeah, so sure, this is getting more interesting now. So what they are telling Google here is that find all articles, all the documents, books, whatever, where you have this term just as job stress as it is, and making a combination of job stress and employee performance. This is already an operator that we are working on. So you see we have job stress here, employee performance, we have effect of stress on employee performance. But when you look down here, we have job stress, we have employee performance. Why we didn't have it in this title? Because we did not specify that we are going to use that we should search within the title, so within the text, so we should search within the universal resource locator. So Google was searching everywhere. So if you want to further delimit your search term, you go to trick number 3. You want to further delimit that. You might want to search just within particular places. Maybe you want to search within titles, you want to search within text, you want to search within the universal resource locator. Let's try within title. So we want documents, we want articles, we want blog posts, whatever, that have the word job stress at its title. Currently we are having 107,000 results. So if we want to get only the ones that have job stress at its title, we use the keyword Intitle and a colon, and make sure that there's no space between the Intitle and between the column and the word that you want to appear in the title. Let us search. Now I get just 2,120 results. You see there. we are quite getting somewhere. So investigate the effect of job stress. So there's job stress here. This is job stress. Go down, impact of job stress, job stress, job stress. So all the titles of these documents that have the word job stress. So what if you wanted employee performance to also be part of the title? So you simply put in title, you have job stress and employee performance. So from 2000 we go down to 395. I think this result should be more concise now, and you are sure to catch what you are looking for with this result. At least we have manageable results that we can explore now. Okay, so we could look at another. Let's look at another search operator. Let's look at Boolean operators. The Boolean operators we are talking about here. Let's say we want to search job stress, and there are other alternatives. When you want to expand your search horizon, you can use the Boolean operator or. So I want job stress or job stressors. Let's see, job stressors. Hope I got it right. Yeah, job stressors. Google help me out there. So when we search, Google did not find anything. He went back to the previous search results. Job cancel out. I hear misspelling. Or use the keyword or job stressors. And we also put this one in inverted commas, open and close. When we search, what do we get? They say the system detected unusual traffic, all this, the robot and stuff. So these are the results. You have 221,000. So we expanded this one. So we could as well use Intitle here, so that we filter out all the places where we have this search term at the titles of the results. So we have 37,000 now from 300,000. So it's either we find job stress or job stressors. So there must be one of these things, job stressors. So I think, yeah, we have job stress here. Up here we have job stressors. Okay. What if we wanted to use, we did not want this word job stressors. So instead of using or, you could say we want to exclude the word job stressors. We don't want to find the word job stressors anywhere in the titles of those journals. So we could use the not keyword instead of or. And we search. So we want the minus sign here, rather. We use the minus sign, job stressors. We don't want anything job stressors. So if you look through the whole of this, I'm not sure you find anywhere where they have the title job stress also. Most of the times, when you want to exclude certain words, you can use the minus sign. As well as the and. If you want and, job stress and job stress, or that one definitely wouldn't work because it is there are synonyms. It would be difficult to find them in the same document. So we would have job stress and let's take back our financial performance. So we should get to the same results as before. Job stress and financial performance, 370. So automatically this and keyword is built into the search engine. So it's not really necessary to absolutely restate it. Okay, the next thing I want to show you is how to search synonyms. I'm still on job stress. If I want the synonym of job stress, I use this tilde. The first key on your numbers part, the shift and that keyword will give you that tilde when you search. So it's going to look at all the synonyms of job stress, and here the first one we found stress. Even though we put job stress here, but notice what it did. It took the synonyms of this job stress and it brought the stress here. Job stress meaning stress at work, and the stress at work. There is nice simple ways to do stress at work, workplace stress, managing job stress. So you can get a variety of synonyms by asking Google with appending the tilde sign to your search term. Also, you could use this to search a lot of things, and you get wonderful results. And the last trick I'm going to show you here is to use the asterisk sign. Okay, imagine I'm thinking is it job stress I'm looking for, or is it job stressors? Is it job alert? Is it job whatever, job interview, job? You see, like I just press job here. It has job alert, job performance, job satisfaction, job interview, and all these things. So if you want all combinations of the word after job, you will replace that keyword with an asterisk type and search. Now just look at, I have 3 billion results because just about everything there is job profile, job search, managing yourself, job view, just everything about job comes up. So this one is when you want to expand your search, you want to be open to maybe new suggestions. You see, job Bible, job meaning, job description, all of these things will show up in your search term. But if we wanted to limit it now, and financial performance, performance, I think now we get at least more concise results. We get 34 million from a billion, we get 34 million results. Link between job satisfaction and financial performance, impact of job and communication, you get impact of cooperation, retention, and job satisfaction. So you see, you get all sorts of things, just all sorts of things. So guys, these are the 6 tips I wanted to show you in this video. And in the next video, I'm going to be showing you how to define words with Google, how to search within the timeline, how to find similar websites, how to search images, using images, how to do composer inclusion, the addition sign. I'll also talk a little bit about this, and to get particular file types. So see you in the next video. And if there's something, if there's something I omitted in this video, please feel free to put it in the comment box down below.